a little clip on the back, and that'll get that piece out of there.
Easier said than done. I'm sure people have got so frustrated with this, they've probably cut their carpet.
I just ripped it out of there.
And rip the carpet while they're at it. But this pin, because I've seen vehicles where this is absent and where the carpet has been cut.
Yeah.
Because they can't get this pin out. Yeah, that's a real neat thing, huh? And then your floor mats jam. I think the screwdriver's too thick. There she be. Ta-da! Okay, I'll show you. So in here, what I did was, let's clip it together. Okay. So I got the screwdriver. I thought this would be too thick a screwdriver, but I got it into there. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. And I moved that. It was better on this side. Oh, now I can't get it out. Oh, there.
Okay. New floor mats, just unscrew them. Now we gotta find out if there's left or right. Since this is a van, that's the long one. And we'll see if these are left or right. Here. They look both the same to me. Like there's no curve to them. And
I'll check on the package.
obviously that's the back one. And it springs along back in there. Yeah, okay. We'll put the front ones in first. Now these things here are cut to fit. See all these little lines here? You can cut them right to there if you want. But you can cut this piece off at the beginning right now, because they hung up on a display. And from here we'll see if they actually fit. This is a caravan, so it's got a bigger front on it. We gotta take those out of there. And there's little clips here. See, if you go by this mat and put it down there, right now I wouldn't cut that off to match this, because with your winter boots on, your foot might be up here. So I would fit them in the van or in your car first before start cutting. Measure twice, cut once. And this piece here can come off also, because it'll leave a lump there. And you don't want to cut this because this will hold the water. See, the van is big, so you want the full mat.